So I woke up today, pretty late as usual, and I made some egg drop soup for my dad. And I was like, eggs. I want to make something with eggs. This is not one of the ideas, but I made some hot cocoa. Today I'm making egg tart. Whoa. So I start off with some butter. Make like speed. Gotta roll it up together. Nice. And I gotta chill it for like 30 minutes, pretty sure. Not gonna lie, I didn't go back and reread the recipe, so here's just some butter with some all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, and just hand mix it. Sadly, can't use the machine because the recipe said so, until it looked like breadcrumbs. Look at that. And I got some water. I'm gonna mix it around with my magical spatula that I got from IKEA. Mix it around. But then on the recipe it said to mix it until there's no flour left, so I'm gonna use my hand after this. I'm gonna put it down. No. It's gonna fall. Okay, good. I'm gonna use my hand until there's no flour left. Never mind, there's still flour. Put it on the plastic wrap. Gotta wrap it up. And I have to chill it for 30 minutes. Look at that, in you go with my butter. So here's 30 minutes afterward, take it out, put some flour on the counter, fold it around and stuff. Fold it around, make it into a big rectangle. I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my best. There's me putting the butter down. Oh, don't waste the butter. Put it back. There we go. And I gotta put the parchment papers away. Okay. And then I fold over the butter. And then I gotta wrap it up and I gotta chill it again for 30 minutes. Again. Whoa. After 30 minutes, I take it out. Again, do the same thing, but this time fold it inside, fold it again, and wrap it again. 30 minutes in the fridge again, and then take it out, and then flatten it up. Do the same thing I just did. Again. Wrap it up. 30 minutes again. Because why not? Take it out. This time, I swear this is the last time. Flatten it out until it's a tiny little rectangle. I gotta use some flour so it won't be too sticky. And then I gotta roll it up. And guess what? Wrap it up and chill it for 30 more minutes. But now, for the filling. 1 egg. Gotta beat it up. 2 egg yolks. The egg white is right there. It's 2 egg yolks. And then I gotta add sugar. Add some milk. And I gotta stir it up. Stir it up with 1 hand. I got heavy whipping cream. Put it in there and start stirring up. Look at the color changes. Wow. Chill it up, wrap it, chill it up for an hour. But while waiting, take out the dough and cut it into 12 evenly pieces. About 2 centimeters thick each of them. Look at that, not perfect, it's my first time, it's okay. And gotta mold it up and wrap it up and freeze it for 10 minutes. Take it out, pour the fillings in, and yeah, not perfect, it's okay. For at 410 Fahrenheit, and look at that. The crust might be uneven, but it's okay. It's my first time, I'll do better next time.